California. The sun is always shining bright. People are smiling, making plans, hiding behind their shade.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Fall Clean and Decorate with Me 2020. I am so excited to share this video with you guys. This is actually part 1 to my Fall Clean and Decorate with Me. Part 2 will be sometime next week, and that will be my living room, bedroom, and laundry room. So today we are going to be decorating my kitchen, dining room, and all of the entryway tables here in my home. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope it brings you some fall decorating inspiration, and let's go ahead and just get started with cleaning up the kitchen, and then we're going to start decorating. So I was unsure about what kind of decorating I wanted to do this year. I know a ton of people are starting to lean towards more of the neutral colors, and I do love those, so I will be adding those into my home this year, but I'm also sticking to the traditional colors, which are like the oranges and the reds and the yellows, so you will see a balance throughout my home. I'm hoping that I have a good balance going on and it's not just crazy everywhere, but we're gonna go ahead and start decorating over here by the sink. I'm just putting 2 pumpkins and a candle. I will actually have a whole video coming out next week on these candles from Cozy Me Candle. I'm collaborating with them. She is a new company. She is launching September 3rd, and she sent me all of her collections, and her candles are amazing. So next week I will have a candle haul here on my channel. Throughout this video you will see me play around with my decor. I actually had no idea how I was going to decorate coming into this decorate video, so you will be going through the process with me. I have been on the hunt for a smaller wreath here for the window, like a fall one, and I have not been able to find one, so I decided to go ahead and hang up these garland leaves, and I think they look really pretty, and it's something different here in my kitchen. I'm trying to make my decor more fun rather than pretty now that I have a little one, and it's just fun for me to go ahead and decorate throughout the seasons, all the pretty colors, and just making it super fun here in my home. So that's what I'm going towards for this year for decorating. I'm not worrying about it being so pretty, but more fun and exciting when you walk into my home. So we're going to go ahead and clean up over here and then start decorating this area, which is going to be a tiered tray. I got this tiered tray from Michael's this year, and I will also have a video coming out on my channel that is going to be decorating tiered trays. I have 3 or 4 of them in my home, and I just want to go ahead and kind of give you guys ideas on how you could decorate them. So that video will be coming out soon as well, so make sure you are subscribed and your bell notification is turned on. I absolutely love decorating tiered trays. I love how creative you can be with them, and there's no right or wrong way to decorate these, and they are just so fun.
to keep it cool. Bending all the rules, bending all the rules. It gets colder, but I hate being cool. I can't be cool to you. Even if you got something left to lose, even if there is something left for you to prove, I got bad.
So I went ahead and added a little bit of the green to this side of the kitchen since I had it over here. I didn't want it to be half and half. So again, I'm trying to do a balance throughout my home. I'm not sure if it is working, but we're gonna go ahead and try it anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish decorating the kitchen. I honestly did not have near as much decor as I needed, and that's why I did not decorate all in one video, because I actually have to run back out and grab some more pumpkins to go ahead and decorate the rest of my home with. So I will have that decorating video out sometime next week. I'm super excited about it because I'm going with a burnt orange theme in my bedroom, and I am so excited to show you guys everything that I got for that. So very excited about that video. And here's another one of those candles that I was talking about earlier. Next, we're going to go ahead and decorate here in the dining room. This is the only dining room that we have in my home. We used to have a formal one and we turned that into a playroom. So I went ahead and made over this little space into like more of a farmhouse feel. So it took me a little while to come up with a plan for decorating in here, but I absolutely love how it turned out in the end. I feel like it is very farmhouse, and it is those traditional colors with some burnt colors and some neutrals, and I just absolutely love how it turned out.
I'm laying down to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you buy.
I decided to go ahead and add this tray, so let me know if you guys like this better than the decor just sitting right on the table. I feel like I do. I didn't want to do a runner because I've had one on my table for months now, so I kind of wanted it to be more plain. But let me know if you think I should try to find a runner to add, or if you think it looks good like this. I also found this wreath at Walmart a few days ago. It was $20 and I absolutely love it, and it matches my theme in this room perfectly. Over here is this potted plant that I do like a DIY for every season. This season I am struggling. You will see here in a second, I actually will be in a different outfit because I went to do it the next day because I was getting super frustrated with it. I don't know what I want to do over here. What I have in here now is not what I want it to be. So I'm not sure what I'm going to go ahead and do. You guys will see here in a second what I end up doing to it, but I definitely need some advice and help with what to do in this potted plant.
I don't wanna seem to shaky. Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Oh no, and they tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose, you know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs, I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out, then I'm right back in. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead.
Do you guys think I should take out some of the greenery, or do you think I should take out the yellow floral stems. I'm not sure what I should do in here. I had a vision for this and it did not come to life, and that's okay. That happens sometimes. So I'm coming to you guys now for help what to do in here, or what you would do, and just some advice and inspiration because I'm struggling with this over here.
Love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly.
When I got this entryway table from Amazon, I was so excited to go ahead and decorate it for the different seasons. I've never had one like this. I've always had the one just pushed up against my couch, and I could never decorate it because Evelyn would knock everything off of the top. So I was super excited to go ahead and decorate it this year. And over here I went with more of like a neutral color scheme, and I really like how it turned out.
Guess I'm gonna stay, but I'm just gonna wait in the background, watching you talk to her. I know this might look bad, but I'm just gonna melt in the background, watching you lean into her. I'm a fool, I just wanna get close to you. Yeah, I wanna get close. I'm a fool, I know.
Surprisingly, my little one has only messed with the bottom of this table once, and she just likes to pull the pumpkins out of the basket and put them back in. So I will call that a win, but I absolutely love how this came out. I will also have a home tour on my channel. Probably not this Saturday, but the following Saturday will be the home tour, and I will go ahead through my entire home and tell you guys where everything is from and what I did in each room. Next, I'm going to go ahead and decorate this little table. Little disclaimer, I did not leave it like this because, like I said, my little one likes to knock things off of the top and just play with things that are up high like that. And we also use this when we're sitting down to eat like a snack or something. We use the top of it, but I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys an idea of how you could decorate a table like this. I did leave the bottom, but I did not leave the top.
I miss them. I'm about to lose it. All of my friends telling me to leave for the night. It's for the best. I'm a fool, I just wanna get close to you.
The last area we are going to be decorating in this fall and decorate with me video is going to be our bathroom. This is more of Evelyn's bathroom. It is right next to her bedroom, but I kind of keep it like decorated as a guest bathroom because when we do have guests, this is the bathroom that they use. But we're gonna go ahead and go with the bright oranges in here and just make it fun but yet still pretty.
Me too, 'cause I'm thinking aloud, I'm wondering about you, about you, baby.
That is going to be it for this fall clean and decorate 2020 with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have decorated for fall yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you Tuesday in my next video. Bye guys.